The COUNTA function is a powerful tool if you are looking to quickly understand how many non-blank cells are present in a given range. To demonstrate, let's look at a sample dataset where we have a list of employees and their remaining allocated vacation days. In this example, we want to make sure we have each employee on record listed with their corresponding remaining vacation days. However, it's apparent that we have a spotty dataset. Some rows appear to be blank, and therefore, it's not easy to understand how many employees we have in the list without having to count them individually. Thankfully, we can use the COUNTA function to do the math for us and output the total number of employees into cell E8. To do so, let's start by selecting cell E8 and typing in the COUNTA function. You will see there are a number of arguments available, with the first argument being mandatory. As long as you enter at least one argument, or in other words, one set of criteria to evaluate, the COUNTA function will calculate a result. In this case, we know our set of criteria to be the data range of A2 to A101, which captures all data in column A until the end of the table. After hitting enter, the result is seen to be 75, which tells us there are 75 non-blank cells, or 75 cells that are filled with data. This matches the number of employees on record based on the value seen in cell E4. We can take this one step further to see if allocated vacation days are present for each employee. We can select cell G8 and use the COUNTA function again. This time, we will use B2 through B101 as our data range to be evaluated. Here we see the result is 74, which would tell us there is data missing in the table. After a quick look, it's clear that cell B22 is empty. Once filled in, the dataset is complete.